guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in this video I want to unbox my tripod, the new tripod that I got from Amazon. Okay, I actually ordered this on the 18th of August and it arrived on the 20th of August. So I was so excited to share this, to unbox it with you guys. The one I have broke. I've been using that for 5 years, since 2018. When the head spoiled, it couldn't carry my camera again, so whenever I put my camera inside, it will be falling out, and I don't want to risk it, okay, to be managing it again after it has lasted me for a very long time. What I bought 10 euros and I used it for 5 years is a whole lot, like a whole lot of profit. So it's not actually something that I'll be economizing and say it's very, very expensive. So there is no way to manage or repair that, okay? So I have to throw it away and buy this particular one right here. So I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers who use this type of tripod to do their videos, but I've never thought of getting it myself. Here I'm coupling the head. At the end of this video, I'll also show you guys how tall this is, okay? This is so tall. It's actually 185 meters. You see it has a separate leg. That's to show you the kind of strong it is. So I'm so excited to share this. And yeah, so here I'm coupling the legs. I'm putting the legs. I believe these legs are the one that makes it stand still, okay? And it's heavy though. So I have been admiring it. So here we have the complete other things if I want to use it with phone. But I have phone, I have camera, so I have a little tripod for camera. So that's basically all. You can use the manual here to learn how to couple it, and this is what we actually came up with, and I'm so happy. Okay, so like I said, make sure you watch the end of the video so that you'll be able to see the real standing, okay? So you can see all here. So, and that's basically, if you like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and we will see you off in our next video. Bye guys.